Moses, so what do you have to say beating me in my own car?
I told you.
Yeah, so basically what we did was we switched every person in every different car. So I was in the Mini and the RSX, and Ricky and Moses was in my S2000. Ricky ended up getting, what did you get?
67, about the same
67?
time.
I paid it
You got
64.
better.
But anyways, he wasn't able to beat my time in my car, but Moses was. He got a 61, I got a 64, my best time. So he's telling me that I have to basically, they're both telling me that I have to push my car more, right?
You have to listen to your car. You're not listening to it.
Listen to it?
Yeah.
Alright.
I tickled the car a little bit, and then they liked me after that. It just played nice.
Listen to your car a little bit, bro. Not physically,
Yeah.
but see what it does. Listen to the tires. Don't pay attention to shifting. Listen to your tires. Feel that rear end.
Alright.
You can feel it slip a little. When you feel it slip, you already know you're a little bit too much.
Alright. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do.
Oh,
So
you
my
could
best
just-
time was 64.
Or you could just be a better driver.
Best time was 64, so I'm gonna see if I can get anything better than that.
Hold
You back?
on. But I beat everybody in their own cars with a 63 so far.
Oh yeah, he's on top right now with everybody in their own cars. He got a 63 with his best time in his RSX. I got a 64 with my best time in my S2000, and you got a what?
64?
64 best time on his.
Maybe I had 60. I don't know.
Okay.
Push it more.
I just don't
You
remember.
gotta check. You can check online.
All right.
Anyway, I got no tires, so. I got shitty fucking
Yeah.
beat down tires.
I was hitting 15 pounds of boost in your car.
Yeah, it goes up to 14, I told you.
No, 15.
No, it doesn't hit 15.
I was on 15 on the last stretch.
It looks like 15, but if you look at the reading from the map sensor, it's 14. 13, 14.
I was hitting it, and it's like, it just keep pulling.
Yeah.
And pulling, I'm like, okay.
It's good.
I'm like, no.
It just feels soft.
Yeah.
Bro, let's go again, because the rain's starting to come down.
We back. See what we end up coming up with. All right. So right now we're at Popeyes. We just finished our day. So basically, out of us three in our own cars, it was me, then Ricky, then Moses on the times. So I came first, Ricky came second, and Moses came third.
I have a Mini Cooper. Of course, I'm gonna be last.
Pull up the times. Let's see it.
You want to start with yours or mine or Moses?
Whichever.
From fastest to slowest.
All right,
okay.
fastest, slowest. Okay.
Just move to the side.
So, this is me. Fernandez Sandy, 2000 Honda S2000. Black. These are my times. This is first session up here, and this is second session.
The 58's not his.
The
It was a
58
mix up.
is this one right here. This guy, they mixed it up. Only wishing I could hit that time, but we can. This is first session up here, and then second session up here that we did. So my fastest time was 63.13. 63.313. Now we have Ricky's right here. RSX. Type S, blue. First session up here. Second session. Fastest time was 63.695. Mini Cooper.
Right there.
Moses. 2003 Mini Cooper. Graham. His fastest time. Again, first session. 63.805.
That concludes it. Now, they both spun out in the Acura RSX Type S.
His car has a depth trap.
I know, man.
No, it's
There's
not.
so many
He
things
needs his
wrong
front
with it.
tire. I mean, rear tire, sorry.
There's so many things wrong with it. The car tried killing me. At a high RPM, in second gear, it decides to go to limp mode, and it took away all my power, and then it spun me out off the track. After that, I was scared to drive this
Look,
car.
look, look. Turn the camera towards them. They vape gods. All they drive is freaking Volkswagens.
They won. Vape guys?
Yeah. All they do is vape and drive Volkswagens.
These guys right
We
here.
should park together. See?
That's how I need to park.
Huh?
That's how I need to park. Always back into your parking spot.
Yeah.
For what? We'll beat them all.